Does that woman look frustrated? Yes. I'm sure she's ready to clunk him on the head with that pillow. What percent of people actually snore in this obnoxious way? 40 to 50%. And there's even controversy on that. Could be higher. And he's sleeping on his back, isn't he? Would that make people snore usually more than sleeping on their side? Yes, because the tongue falls back in the back of the throat and occludes partially the air passageway. It is such a common thing that I suggest to you that you become more involved with and educated about dental sleep medicine. Even though you may not even want to become adequately prepared clinically to treat it, you should know about it. It's becoming more and more popular in the dental and medical professions, and so many people suffer from it. It's not something that just goes away by itself. In fact, as we age, we tend to snore more. And by the way, men snore more than women. The bottom line is, it's time to look seriously into dental sleep medicine, either for just an educational advantage in your practice or for actually being able to treat people who snore or have sleep apnea. For continuing information from us, please go to our website, pccdental.com. There are constantly changing informational and educational pieces there that we would love to have you see.